Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like size, bed type, highlight, facilities, amenities, and giving this at 6 stars. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Category 5. Next, to discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, 5 type of rooms is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This property is free and checkout time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem with this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this resort, please below to link in description. If you have visited this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.